In this video, I'm going to show you the 12 best free apps that you can get on your Windows computer. Let's begin. The first app is AnyDesk. AnyDesk is the premier remote desktop application that gives you total control over another computer from anywhere in the world. Whether you're helping a family member fix a tech issue, accessing your home PC while traveling, or managing files on a remote machine, AnyDesk delivers a buttery smooth connection with near zero latency. Its proprietary Desk RT codec compresses visual data so effectively that even on slower internet connections, navigating desktop menus, transferring files, and running software feels completely seamless. It's lightweight, installs in seconds, and uses banking-level TLS encryption to keep your connection fully secure. If you ever need remote access without paying exorbitant subscription fees, AnyDesk is an essential addition to your Windows toolkit. The second app is Recuva. We've all experienced that sudden panic after accidentally deleting an important file or emptying the recycle bin by mistake. Recuva is your ultimate insurance policy against data loss. Developed by the creators of CCleaner, Recuva scans your hard drives, SSDs, USB flash drives, or memory cards to locate deleted files before they are permanently overwritten. It features a deep scan mode that digs through damaged or formatted drives to reconstruct lost documents, pictures, videos, and emails. The clear, color-coded interface shows you the exact condition of each recoverable file, letting you know the likelihood of a successful restoration. It's light, fast, and can save hours of lost work in just a few clicks. The third app is 7-Zip. Windows includes basic file zip capabilities, but if you regularly deal with compressed files like the RAR files or large archives, 7-Zip is an absolute must-have. Unlike commercial archives that constantly nag you to purchase a license, 7-Zip is completely free and open source. It integrates cleanly into the Windows right-click context menu, making archiving and extracting files instant. Its native .7z format provides significantly higher compression ratios than standard .zip files, saving substantial disk space and bandwidth when sharing large datasets. It also includes AES 256-bit encryption for password-protecting sensitive archives. It is lightweight, contains zero bloatware, and handles almost every archive format in existence. The fourth app is OBS Studio. When it comes to screen recording and live streaming, OBS Studio stands in a class of its own. It is the industry standard tool used by top creators, gamers, and educators worldwide. Unlike paid alternatives that cap your recording duration or overlay ugly watermarks, OBS gives you complete freedom with zero restrictions. You can combine multiple sources, including desktop displays, webcams, capture cards, window captures, and browser overlays into fully customized scenes. With built-in audio mixing, noise suppression filters, hardware-accelerated encoding, and direct integration with platforms like Twitch and YouTube, OBS Studio is the ultimate powerhouse for capturing high-fidelity content on Windows. The fifth app is VLC Media Player. VLC Media Player is widely considered the undisputed king of media players, and for good reason. Default Windows media players often fail to play specialized video codecs or obscure audio files, forcing you to download risky third-party codec packs. VLC solves this completely by including native support for virtually every media container and codec available, from MP4 and MKV to FLAC and RAW streams. It handles corrupted video files, plays partially downloaded media, and allows you to easily sync out of order subtitles or audio tracks. Add in built-in tools for video conversion, network stream playback, and disk ripping. And VLC remains an unbeatable, ad-free essential for every PC setup. The sixth app is Brave Browser. If you want the speed and extension ecosystem of Google Chrome without the constant tracking and resource bloat, Brave Browser is the clear choice. Built on the open-source Chromium engine, Brave works seamlessly with all your favorite Chrome Web Store extensions and bookmarks. What sets it apart is its aggressive built-in privacy shield, which automatically blocks intrusive ads, cross-site trackers, fingerprinters, and auto-playing videos by default by stripping out ad clutter before pages render. Web pages load up to 3 times faster while consuming significantly less RAM and battery power. It delivers a cleaner, faster, and far more private web browsing experience out of the box. The seventh app is DaVinci Resolve. For video editing, DaVinci Resolve is nothing short of incredible. While most professional video editing suites cost hundreds of dollars per year on subscription models, Blackmagic Design offers the core version of DaVinci Resolve completely free, with no watermarks on export. This isn't a stripped-down basic editor. It's a full Hollywood-grade production suite featuring non-linear editing, advanced color grading, motion graphics via Fusion, and professional audio post-production via Fairlight. Whether you're cutting quick YouTube videos or editing full cinematic projects, DaVinci Resolve delivers unmatched performance and studio-level creative control directly on your Windows desktop. 8. Notepad++. The standard Windows Notepad is fine for quick jotting, but for anything more serious, Notepad++ is a game-changer. Designed as a lightweight text and source code editor, Notepad++ boots instantly and runs with a minimal memory footprint. It features syntax highlighting and code folding for over 80 programming languages, tabbed editing for managing dozens of files simultaneously, and a powerful multi-file search and replace engine with customizable themes, auto-completion, macro recording, and an extensive library of community plugins. Notepad++ is an indispensable tool for programmers, web developers, system admins, or anyone who handles structured text files daily. The 9th app is FxSound. If your laptop speaker sounds tiny or your headphones lack clarity and punch, FxSound will instantly upgrade your PC audio experience. FxSound is a free, open-source audio enhancer that processes all sound output on your Windows system in real time. It boosts volume without causing harsh clipping or distortion, restores lost audio frequencies, and deepens bass response. The clean interface comes packed with tailored presets for music listening, gaming, movies, and clear vocal clarity during calls or podcasts. For users without expensive hardware or dedicated sound cards, FxSound breathes brand new life into your existing audio setup with zero hassle. The 10th app is Free Download Manager. Web browsers are notoriously inefficient when it comes to downloading large files, often dropping downloads halfway through or throttling speeds. Free Download Manager, or FDM, fixes these pain points effortlessly. It accelerates download speeds by splitting large files into multiple smaller sections and downloading them simultaneously. FDM supports HTTP, HTTPS, FTP, and BitTorrent protocols, allowing you to manage all your file grabs from a single app. It allows you to pause and resume interrupted downloads, schedule file transfers for off-peak hours, adjust bandwidth allocation on the fly, and even preview audio and video files before the download finishes. The 11th app is Audacity. When you need to record, edit, or clean up audio, Audacity is the absolute standard for free audio editing software. This open-source multi-track recorder is packed with tools for creators, podcasters, and voice artists. You can record live audio, edit clips with precise spectral editing, adjust pitch and tempo, and apply professional audio processing effects like equalization, compression, and normalization. Its standout feature is its powerful noise reduction tool, which isolates and removes background fan noise or AC hum from vocal tracks in seconds. Lightweight and versatile, Audacity remains the go-to tool for high-quality audio production on Windows. And finally, the 12th app, Flameshot. It is an incredibly versatile screenshot tool that completely replaces the basic Windows snipping tool. Upon pressing your screenshot hotkey, Flameshot opens an intuitive on-screen overlay where you can instantly annotate your capture. You can draw arrows, highlight key areas, add custom text, and step-by-step numbers, and even blur or pixelate sensitive personal information like passwords or addresses before saving. Once you're done, you can copy the image directly to your clipboard, save it locally, or upload it directly to image hosting services with a single click. It streamlines screen capturing into a fast, professional workflow. So those are the 12 best free apps that you can get on your Windows computer. So, which one are you getting?